करो. Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about Boolean indexing in a data frame. So we'll see at the definition. Let me highlight this definition. Boolean indexing. In a data frame, when the indexes are true or false. So whenever we have the indexes as true or false, or 1 or 0, 1 represents true and 0 is for false. It is referred to as Boolean indexing. So जब भी हम डेटा फ्रेम में इंडेक्सिंग को ट्रू और फॉल्स रखेंगे तो दैट इज नोन एज बूलियन इंडेक्सिंग. सो what is the advantage of a Boolean indexing? So the advantage is that it divides the data frame in two groups. Okay, एक true rows and false rows. Okay, so let us look at the example given here. So I'll just highlight the entire data frame. So suppose there is a hospital. On particular days, the operations are performed, and on some days the operations are not performed. So if I highlight this, on Monday the operation is performed. The number of operations that are done is 3. Similarly, on Wednesday the operation is performed and the number of operations done are 6. And on the rest of the days, that is Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, the operations are not performed. So let's say if we want to find out on which days the operations are performed and on which days the operations are not performed, we can easily find out using LOC. Okay, LOC. So what Boolean indexing does is that it divides the data frame in two groups, and by the help of LOC, we can easily find out the particular days on which operations are performed. On particular days the operations are not performed. So we'll create this data frame. So we have got two columns, days और operations. ये दोनों days के D capital में है, operations का O capital में. So let us look how I have created this data frame. So obviously the first statement I have written is import pandas as PT. Now यहाँ पे मैंने days small letter में लिया हुआ. आप I can take any variable name. Okay, I can take ABC whatever, but days इसलिए लिया because it matches with the name. Days may have taken a list, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I have taken. Then I have taken operation, फिर मैंने दूसरा list लिया हुआ है operation. Here also please don't get confused. I can take anything operation में मैं I can take B, O, whatever, but मैंने operation लिया है. That's it. अब यहाँ पे मैंने एक डिक्शनरी डिफाइन किया है D नाम का, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे this curly braces I have given. Then days को मैंने ये days I'll just highlight this. ये days हमारा की है. Days का D मैंने कैपिटल रखा है because in a dictionary the key becomes the column name. तो days is one of the keys. फिर कोलन के बाद मैंने days को inverted comma नहीं दिया. आप if you look at days, days is the variable here. Let me highlight this. Okay, this is days. फिर मैंने कॉमा देखिए ये operations का O कैपिटल रखा है and मैंने इसमें क्या किया है inverted comma लिया है because this is the second key and this will also become the column name. That is why फिर मैंने कोलन साइन फिर मैंने ऑपरेशन ये बिना इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के दिया है. सो दिस ऑपरेशन इज आल्सो अ लिस्ट वेरिएबल. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने डिफाइन किया है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे बी डिफाइन करता तो यहाँ पे ऑपरेशन की जगह व्हाट वुड आई हैव रिटन? आई वुड हैव रिटन बी. ओके, नाउ df1 df1 I am giving. df1 is the name of the data frame. Now pd dot data frame. फिर मैंने डिक्शनरी यहाँ पास किया हुआ है pd dot data frame d कैपिटल f कैपिटल. लेट मी हाईलाइट ब्रैकेट मैंने डी दिया. डी इज अ डिक्शनरी. कॉमा देके आप गिवन द इंडेक्स. मैंने ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू फॉल्स फॉल्स. नाउ वन वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू रिमेंबर इज दैट जब आप ट्रू फॉल्स बूलियन वैल्यू डालोगे तो द फर्स्ट लेटर फॉर ट्रू विल बी कैपिटल टी. फॉल्स के लिए द फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी कैपिटल एफ. ओके, सो वी कैनॉट हैव दिस अंडर इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. मैं ट्रू को इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में नहीं रखूंगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज अगर मैं रखूंगा तो इट बिकम्स अ स्ट्रिंग. सिमिलरली फॉर फॉल्स आई विल नॉट put inverted comma because if you put that it becomes a string. So the question might comes like this that अगर मैं इंडेक्स में true और false को inverted comma में दे रहा हूँ तो will it be a boolean indexing? No, it will not be a boolean indexing. It will be a string value. Okay, so Let me create this data. I've already created this data frame. For example, df1 is the name of the data frame. This is okay. Now let's say अगर मैं access करना चाहूँ किसी particular rows को, so then I told you in the beginning I will use LOC. So if I want to access true value, I will write true. If I want to access false value, I will write false. ठीक है. Similarly, मैं true के लिए I can write 1 and for false I can write 0. Okay. So let's see. Let's say I want to find out on which days the operations are performed. तो मैंने df1.loc, df1 is the name, और यहाँ पे मैंने true दे दिया बिना इन्वर्ट true, T capital. Let me hit enter. Just give me a moment. df1.loc. Okay. Just give me a moment. Let me press because I have not created the data frame. Okay. df1. Let me print it. Now df1.loc मैंने दिया and let me give true. Okay. So we have got this. So on Monday and Wednesday the operations are performed. Okay. Let me highlight so you can easily see that. Now if I want to find out on which particular days the operations are not performed, so what I will type df1.loc, मैं false capital रख रहा हूँ, then I will hit enter. Okay. On Tuesday, Thursday and Friday the operations are not performed. Okay. I cannot write like this df1.loc. अब मैं इसे inverted comma में अगर if I give it there will be an error. Okay, see this is what we have got. Now let me highlight one more thing. Let me just अब यहाँ पे देखो मेरे पास number of days Monday Tuesday I've got 6 value, 5 values. अब मैं क्या करता हूँ यहाँ पे index भी मैं 5 ही दूंगा. Let me highlight 1 2 3 4 5. अब ऐसा नहीं कि अगर मैं 6 index दे दूँ, for example मैं एक और true देता हूँ, so what it will produce, it will produce an error because index is not matching the number of values. तो कभी कभी question में ये भी देता है कि identify what is the error. So please make sure that the index will be equal to the number of values. तो यहाँ पे let me hit enter, it will produce an error. Okay, see this is the error. Shape is not equal. Let me highlight this. Okay, अब मैं let me create this. Sorry. Okay, let me have this. Okay, df1 मैंने print किया. Now let me give, instead of true I will give 1 and instead of false I will give 0. So in this way also we can have this boolean indexing. मैंने false की जगह 0 दिया, फिर false की जगह I will put 0, then true की जगह मैं क्या दूंगा 1 दूंगा, then again false की जगह I'll give 0, then true की जगह what I'll give 1. So this is also one of the ways to create Boolean indexing df1. Now let me try to find out the days wherein the operation are performed. LOC सारा small letter में मैंने 1 दे दिया, ठीक है. Now on Monday and Wednesday the operations are performed. Now if I want to find out on which day the operations are not performed, so मैंने 0 दे दिया. On Tuesday, Thursday, Friday the operations are not performed by the hospitals. So this is what Boolean indexing is all about. I hope that everyone is able to understand. So that's it from my side today. Thank you everyone for watching.